Hey guys, spoiler alert, as soon as I was done recording today's video, I just got a huge sale of $69. Okay, it's not a video, it's a photo. Okay, believe me, it's a photo. Okay, see, it's an image. Right? Simple image of a candle. I don't believe it. Okay, it's a photo, and even you can download this image for free. Anyway, I'm not going into that. So, this changes pretty much everything that I am going to tell in this video. Not everything, because I'll be showing you my earning summary. I'll be comparing my June and July earnings with you. You can see this is a photo which has sold in single and other. Okay, under single and other, this is my total single and other earning, and this has sold in single and other license. I mean a huge license. Okay, it's not a video. Anyway, so please watch this video till the end. I'm so excited and I am coming very soon. And here I come. Hey guys, in this video I'll be telling you that if you are a beginner, or if you are not doing it full time and just doing for fun, and you are a mediocre level contributor, you should never boycott Shutterstock. I'll be showing you my results and I'll be telling you why you shouldn't boycott Shutterstock even if the royalty value has decreased to 10 cents. Alright, so please watch this video till the end, but before that, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get regularly notified with my weekly videos. So, welcome back, and the reason why you shouldn't boycott Shutterstock is it has the greatest traffic of all. Okay, I'm telling you as a beginner, the thing is you will only get sales in Shutterstock. You will get only early sales in Shutterstock. Okay, not any other agency. So, right a month back, I uploaded many videos why you should boycott Shutterstock. Shutterstock actually decreased the royalty from for beginners from 25 cents to 10 cents. It was a huge blow, especially for videographers. But and since then, I didn't upload any file to Shutterstock. Last month, almost I did not upload anything at all in Shutterstock. But then many things happened. I was getting good sales in Adobe Stock, and Adobe Stock blocked my account, and it was a great fiasco. My account is still blocked, and I made great deal of videos about it. But in the meantime, I saw that even without uploading, my portfolio was around 3050 images. Even without uploading, I was getting constant sales, and it was a motivation. All right, I'll show you exactly my earnings report of my June month. Okay, this is May. Okay, see, this is the current month. Uh, it's see, this is my total stats. Okay, so look into my total stat. My all-time download is 2023 images, and total earning is $1,177, and in which the subscription download is 507.72, and on demand down earning is this much, and single and other is this, cart sales, that is for videos, this. And recently, very recently, I got a huge boost in my referral earnings because you guys have watched my channel and you guys are selling. Okay, so this is a live proof. My referral earning is a live proof that those who are watching my channel are getting success. Okay, so both in photos and videos, see, I right now my referral earning is 244.56 and my video referral earning is 88.36. Okay, in the month of July, you can see I got it's pretty fine. So starting from 1st July, 2, 3, 6, 1, 6, 5, and 5. All right, so this is my earning of July, but I want to show you my earning of June. Okay, that's what it's all about. So if I see the earning of June, you can see I had 106 downloads, sales. Almost I got regular sales except for 14th June, where I didn't get any sale, but I got $0.36 as referral earning. Anyway, so the thing is, my earning of June is $75.93, but this wouldn't have been this much. The thing is, I got a video sale of $12. Okay, so even if the subscription download is less, okay, you can see 0.10, but you see on this day I had two downloads. One was subscription 0.10 and one was on demand. So on demand sales are happening. You see 2.48, 2.49, so they are constant on demand sales. 5.20. If I'll show you the screenshot of my phone, as you can see right now, if you compare to the month of May, my earning was more. Okay, earning was 81.48, but my sale was less, 104 sales. So even without uploading much, I got the highest number of sales in June. And this is only possible due to the traffic, due to the sheer amount of customers that are going into Shutterstock. So if you are a beginner, if you want your files to be exposed to the world, if you want your files to sell, okay, and if you don't depend on Shutterstock for your income, I will highly suggest that you continue, because other agencies like Adobe Stock, which is totally not trustworthy, other agencies like Dreamstime, Deposit Photos, Big Stock, they have got very low sales. Okay, you won't get much sales. Compared to that, you will get 10 times more sale in Shutterstock. Now if you, I'll show you my uploaded files. Okay, see, last I uploaded on see, the last approved was on 3rd of this month. So today's 8th. I haven't uploaded anything in last 5 days because I don't get time. And you see, most of them are still rejected. Okay, even you don't think that everything what I upload is accepted. Okay, most of them are rejected, you can see. And the rejection is main subject of your image is not in focus, and trust me, all of these images are in focus. Okay, so my point is, if you can get through the review system, and if you can make your images appear in your portfolio, there is a high chance that your photos will sell. And if I can do it, you can do it too. Last a few months, not a few months, a couple of months back, I took out my earning payout of $500, and then right then the Shutterstock revenue system was slashed down. But in the span of 2 months, okay, just by the month of June and July, which is just 8 days, I have earned $89.21. Okay, which is not bad. Now this thing is very important. See, till date I had 4 videos and 2019 images downloaded, and I think 4 were illustrations, right? That's why it is showing like that. Oh no, it's 2023, 4 videos and 2019 images. Now the thing is, see, funny thing is, I joined in May 2012. Okay, but don't think this is my 8-year result. Okay, I joined in May 2012. I uploaded some files, and just like most of my subscribers who are casual, I was also casual. I started uploading in 2018 seriously. God knows if I took this seriously in 2012, what would have been my fate. Anyways, but those who are earning more in other agencies like Adobe Stock, like Dreamstime, like iStock, okay, Get Images, if you're earning much on those websites, so like thousands of dollars, there are contributors who are earning thousands of dollars on those websites, but their earning has taken a big hit in Shutterstock. Those I will recommend you understand. First of all, you understand much more than what I am teaching in this channel, okay, because I am also a beginner. Okay, so you don't need to listen to me. But even if you are watching this video, definitely I understand your logic. You don't want your files to be easily available on Shutterstock, so yes, you can boycott. But I will suggest that for you beginners who are just starting out, and for those who are enjoying their upload, and those who want their photos to appear on other websites and commercial ads, and those who are not a professional full-time photographer, and those who don't depend on Shutterstock for their money, for their income, for their pocket, and for eating, okay, you know what I mean, to feed their family, I will recommend you guys can or should continue on Shutterstock, build your portfolio. I know it's very strict, but if you can get through the review system, I can guarantee that your most sales will happen on Shutterstock. Now time for code of the day. This is my highest earning till date, and this is my highest number of sales in any month. So this is the month of July, June, in which I got the highest month of sale. So the code of the day is June. If you're watching this video till now, please type June in the comment section and I will know that you are watching this video and you are supporting my channel. So this is it. This is it. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please feel to share this video with your friends, photographers and cousins who love photography. Please refer them about my channel. You can use my referral links if you're watching this video for the first time, and I can track your results and I can show others that this is the live proof that others are also getting success by watching this channel. All right, so that's it for today. I'll be seeing you very soon with another video. Till then, bye and take care.